Compressed gas cylinders have two general types of hazards. First, the hazards that exist because of the high pressures that are exerted on the cylinders themselves. And second, the hazards that are associated with the specific gases they contain. Because the gas inside is highly pressurized, damaging a cylinder valve can be very dangerous. If the valve opens unexpectedly or breaks off completely, the rapid release of gas can make the container take off like a rocket, ricocheting around at a very high speed and doing extensive damage to property and people. If for any reason the metal body of a cylinder fails, it can also explode with deadly force and scatter fragments just like a bursting artillery shell. This brings us to the particular hazards of the gas inside the cylinder. Imagine a cylinder that's set up in a lab, on a plant floor, or in the basement of an apartment building. A faulty connection begins to leak. The pressure continuously pushes the gas into the atmosphere, where it disperses throughout the space. If the gas in the cylinder is flammable, like hydrogen or methane, all it has to do is find a source of ignition, such as a spark or flame, and it will burn or even possibly explode. If the gas is an oxidizer, such as oxygen or chlorine, while it won't burn itself, it can help a fire start more easily and burn more fiercely once it's underway. If the leaking gas is a corrosive like ammonia or toxic like carbon monoxide, it can cause physical injury or poison anyone who is exposed to it. And all of these gases can be hazardous even in low concentrations, and are often invisible and/or odorless as well. And any gas other than oxygen or plain air that leaks from a cylinder can push breathable air out of a space so that the people inside will suffocate. Remember, too, that any gas is more hazardous when it's stored as a cryogenic liquid, because they give off such large quantities of gas when they vaporize, and bigger volumes of gas can cause bigger problems.